show you the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.